Hello, lovely people. Today, I have something very exciting for you. I'm going to teach you some cool features about VLC media. If all you use VLC media for is to play music and watch videos, then my friend, you are missing a lot of cool features. In this video, I'll be showing you a series of cool features that you do not know exist in VLC media. Now, before we get into the real video, I would like to say, if this is the first time you are coming to my channel, please take a moment to click on the subscribe button on the right hand side of the screen and then click on the bell beside it. That bell will make sure anytime S.I.T releases a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you. The first thing we'll learn how to download VLC media for free from the internet and how to install it. Now, let's look at that. So, you head to Google, you type VLC media and press the enter key, or any browser of your choice, you type VLC and search for it. It will take you straight to their page, where you can click on the download VLC button to download VLC media. So I'll click on the button and then download has started. So wait for a while whilst it downloads. Download completed, so I'll click on it to launch the recorder. So click on it, then click on next, continue, and then in this case I already have visual media VLC. I already have VLC media on my computer, so it will ask me to upgrade, but if you don't, it will ask you to install. So the installation process is going through. It's quite quick, and then once the installation is done, we can take a look at some of the cool features, and then we can continue to look at our major topic for today, which is how to use a VLC media player to record your screen. So it's completed, and then I've just launched the app. So we look at some of the features. Now, the second thing we are looking at is the screen recorder. VLC media has its own built-in screen recorder. I bet you didn't know this, but I'll show you how to use it to record your screen. Whatever you are doing on your screen and you need to record it, maybe you are planning a tutorial or you are making a tutorial to show to your students, you can use VLC media. It's for free. So let's do this. To use it, open the main menu, go to the main menu and then click on media. So I click on media and then click on open capture device. This one right here, open capture device. I click on open capture device. Then in the capture mode, you select desktop. Select desktop. So I click on desktop. Then you come down to options. At options, you select the frame that you're going to use. Usually you can pick a minimum of 30, but I usually use 60. So I'll type in 60, then I click on the play button, it comes down, and then you click on convert. That will take you to a new screen, and on this screen you are going to select your audio or your profile, which will be the codec type. So I usually use the H.264, so click on H.264, and then H.264. so because we are recording, so H.264 plus MP3, and then you come down to the browse. Now when you click on the browse, you are supposed to use it to select a location where the recording will be saved to. So I'll click on it and I'll send the recording to, let's say, I'll send it to drive C, or let me send it to my drive C. Drive C is cool, so I send it to drive C, and then I name it VLC desk. Okay, then I click on save. Do not have, it's telling me I do not have permission. Would you like to save this in the document instead? Yes, save it in the document. So I send it to documents, click on save, and then you click on start. When you click on start, it begins to record your screen. You click on start, and then it begins to record your screen, and then so it records. When you are done recording, you just click on stop, the stop button, to stop your recording. So you click on stop, and then your recording stops, and then saves to it saves to your, how do you call it, the destination or where you've selected for the video to be stored. And so that is it. In our next video, we are going to look at how you can use your VLC media to view your webcam, or how you can view your webcam using your VLC media player. I'm going to show you that step by step. Here is a preview. Just a few clicks, your webcam starts working. Now next video. So look at that. Yeah, this is going to be our next video.